I bought a Moan toilet paper roll holder. It's the one that fit the designer's needs and looked nice, so that's what we got. And it has a full set of directions. You always want to read those first. Saves time figuring out what you did wrong. This one came with a bubble level. Kind of a neat idea. Or an execution. Well, as I'm going through reading the directions, it says to take the little bubble level that's put in the package and use, it says to remove the film backing from the adhesive included on the level. Center the level, adhesive side down on top of the pivoting post. Press evenly to adhere. It's a minor problem with that. On one, there's no adhesive on the bubble, and on this one, when you pull the film backing off the adhesive, it took the adhesive off too. But there's a workaround for that. A slight bit of adhesive tape, you know, regular old Scotch tape, fixed the problem. It also came with a rather innovative little idea. It's got a couple of ink stampers that clip inside the mounts, and when you put the mounts up against the wall and push on them, it puts little stamped marks where you're going to drill the holes. Kind of cool. Line up the bubble level, press against the wall, 4 perfect dots. Now I want to check and see if I'm up against a stud. Says I am. So with any luck, we'll hit a stud with this drill bit. If not, I'm going to put in a expanding anchor. Nope. Didn't think so. Thought the stud was over closer into the corner. It's okay, by drilling the small hole, 1/8 inch diameter first, if there had been a stud there, all I would have had to have done is just put the screw in. Okay, setting hollow anchors. First thing I have to do is drill a 5/16 hole. Then I take this anchor and I fold it. It's like that. Push the center in and fold it like that. And I put it in there with this horizontal because I want to have it expand behind there, and it has to be so that it doesn't hit the other one. So I really need to have them both expand out to the side. I put the second one in same way, flat, so it seats completely against the wall, like so. Now I do have to be careful because I don't want to damage the plasterboard. Now I do the exact same thing over here. That would probably work better with a little hammer or a little mallet to tap those in, make them go flat. The toilet paper roll holder actually mounts on these little metal clips. They're marked with an up arrow so that you don't get them upside down. I don't know the difference between up and down on them, but there definitely is a difference. And making sure that I have the up arrow pointed in the right direction, I run the screws into the wall. Start the top one, and then start the bottom one before you tighten them up. sure it's vertical. Same procedure on the second one. Both up and solid. Now there's a set screw in the bottom. Loosen up the set screw with the included Allen wrench. These guys really knew what they were doing when they built this. They gave you all the stuff you needed to do the job. Back the Allen screw out all the way, and there we go. That is one. And this slips over here, like so. Repeat the process on this one. Then tighten the screw. The little set screw as a latching mechanism works pretty good. It's just really hard to get that Allen wrench up in there upside down and backwards when you're trying to put that up on the wall. I would recommend putting this set screw in at a steeper angle. That way you don't hit the handle on the Allen wrench when you're trying to tighten up the screw. I would have liked to have this a little closer together. Wonder if I can move that over. There, bubbles centered. It's up against the wall, snug. That should work quite nicely. The Moan toilet paper hanger appears to work just fine. There's a bit of a learning curve on the thing, but I think we got it. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.